Hello. Today we're going to do an unboxing video. Today, actually I'm doing all this for me, like a box for videos. So this has been clipped up. I'm going to eat a bit of my ice cream. Okay.
Right.
First we're going to open this fidget spinner. I've actually got 5 in total, but yeah, but I those days start on the channel. Yeah.
Give me an hug and everything.
Oh wait, hold up.
Where we go for it?
Oh, it actually looks like a little. Oh, do you hear that?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a bit cool. I'll feel it as well. It's. Oh my god. Whoever created this are freaking fantastic.
The lady who created them, she did it for autistic children. She painted the first lot, and because they'd not took off, she'd not got the money to painted them a second time, and now Japanese and everybody and their auntie have jumped on the bandwagon. But at Maisie and Mia's school, the only children that are allowed them are Ben's, like Ben.
Yeah.
And that's a bit good actually. That's a bit good. Okay, I don't know what this one's all about. It's just got fidget spinner symbols.
Oh, let's see, what's it got?
I think this one's actually going to be. Oh, it's a glowing one. Yes, it is a glowing one. It's a glowing one.
Oh wow!
It's a glowing one, I think.
Yeah. So that's oh, you wanted a gold one. There's a gold one down in one of the shops.
I know it costs 40.
But we're gonna have a look. How many's he got now? 4.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's got that white.
Please click that in the house.
The white one that you got in, and then it's got a red one that Anna bought him last week.
I think these ones actually glow in the dark.
Oh wow!
I can't tell, but I do like this one. This one's a 10 out of 10 favourite. No offence.
Right.
Exactly. Are you allowed to take fidget spinners to the aeroplane?
Yes. Yes. You can take your fidget spinners.
Where's your other 2? The mystery box?
One of them's at Andy's. One of them's at Andy's, but these ones are.
Oh, look at that double spinning.
I know. I'm
Maisie and Mia were balancing theirs on the nose and the knees and.
God, well, they really love them. I think they're too addicted. I can only do it on my knee. And I think
they did lay down to do it on the nose. They didn't try and put it on while they were stood up.
Oh, well, that's actually not a challenge. Or you leave me down in the comments, see what you want me to do with these fidget spinners. And remember to subscribe it as well if you really want to see me do more better videos.
Is that it now?
No. Yeah. So I really do like this one and this one. Exactly, Archie had one of these ones as well. It's a bit cool. My friend had one of those. Don't know you light them up, but
They might glow in the dark then.
yeah, they do glow in the dark.
I'll be able to see what you're doing at night. Wonderful.
Ah, I'm gonna get chipped off. See, so remember to subscribe and like and leave a comment down below because I'm not gonna get no comments and I caught this one. Exactly. Some of these are really like ornaments. One of them's oh god, my screen's melting. Yeah. So see you guys later.
Does that turn it off now?